What we do here is go back.
Hey guys, and welcome back. Well, I think everybody knows by now that Rick Ross doesn't like Birdman because of the way that he hadn't given Lil Wayne his money. And he's been throwing shade on Birdman a lot. Well, this time, Rick Ross takes a jab at Birdman over a report that Birdman is losing a mansion. Now, Rick Ross is going to constantly remind Birdman about his money problems and legal situation with Lil Wayne until he pays up. Now, the latest jab comes from Rozay's Snapchat, responding to an all-hip-hop report by way of a blast that Birdman is selling his Miami mansion on Palm Island. Now, Birdman bought the 19,000 square feet mansion for $14.5 million in 2012, which was once owned by former Rockstar Energy CEO Russell Weiner and Scott Storch. Now, in June, he listed the house for $20 million to recoup the renovation he's done over the years. All right. Now, in his snap, Rick Ross breaks down the logic behind Birdman's purchase. He allegedly took out a loan in 2015 for $12 million from a company named Easy Money, EMG, that's based in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. He put the mansion as a collateral for the loan. Now, Birdman said, "You ain't have no money in 6-7 years, nigga. You should have came and borrowed some from Rozay. Now you want to fuck that old lady life up too. You probably borrowing some money from her," Ross says. "I might go buy that house on the water," he adds, "just to keep my boat at it. I won't even stay there. That shit is too small." It's too small. Now, earlier this year, Ross called out Birdman for not paying Lil Wayne and countless other Cash Money producers on Idols Become Rivals. We haven't stopped spreading the message urging Birdman to pay that man. And this is after Birdman exploded on Instagram Live about all the chatter surrounding him and Weezy, telling his followers about their history and that he'll make sure he's straight when the timing is right. Now, if Birdman can't pay for his mansion, what makes us think he can pay Wayne's $51 million lawsuit? I guess that's about it. I mean, hey, if this man losing mansions and can't pay a loan that he had on, how is he going to pay Lil Wayne? You know, I know it's alleged that Birdman been stealing from his artists since day one. All right. Well, I wonder does Toni knows about this? Cause that's the only reason I could see that Toni would want him is because of his money. Cause I mean, let's face it, Birdman is not cute, not on the Rickness scale of cute anywhere, and and it ain't enough money in China for me. Oh my goodness. Well, I don't even know if he paid for that engagement ring. He might still, it might be in the layaway. He might still be paying on that ring he gave Tony. Oh, but that's a different subject. Well, guys, that does it for me. As always, thank you for watching my video, and I hope you will like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And as always, in parting, be blessed. Bye.
What we do here is go back, 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 back.
Loud.